guys wouldn't let him use the restroom.
No investigation is warranted.
We're in Mosul right now. He's not dead. No, he's gonna make it. He's not dead? Nope. Huh? No.
Today we are talking about a veteran who has been injured during his deployment, while serving his nation during a deployment, encountered life-altering challenges due to injuries sustained in the line of duty. This veteran's journey is a testament to the resilience and strength that define our armed forces. But what was the turning point in this veteran's journey that transformed him into an inspiring symbol of resilience? What challenges did he face, and how did he manage to overcome them? Stay tuned as we uncover the remarkable twists and triumphs that define his extraordinary story. Dynell Lane, a stranger to the individual but someone whose life followed a trajectory. Dynell had faced severe injuries during deployments, leading to multiple surgeries on the lower part of their body. These injuries left Dynell with a disability that necessitated immediate restroom access, a challenge that highlighted the daily struggles confronted by veterans who had sacrificed so much in service to their nation. In recent times, a shift had occurred in the legal landscape, with various states, including Texas, enacting laws to support individuals with medical conditions, granting them the essential right to use restroom facilities when necessary. Fast forward to June 10, 2023, approximately at 2 a.m. at Sirius Pizza in Dallas, Texas, a significant incident unfolded involving Mr. Dynell Lane. In dire need of restroom access due to a medical emergency, Mr. Lane approached the manager, only to face refusal. Two off-duty Dallas police officers, working as security, intervened but declined to review Mr. Lane's medical documents. In a regrettable turn of events, Mr. Lane had to resort to calling 911. However, the responding officers arrived an hour later, resulting in a distressing accident. Adding to the distress during their interaction, the officers referred to Mr. Lane as a horse due to his request.
What are you guys caught making that one call about? Somebody calling 911 they pissed themselves to you.
You guys made a guy pee himself?
Yeah.
You guys wouldn't let him use the restroom, and then he calls back and said it's okay, he doesn't need PPE anymore because he saw.
Notably, the officers did not activate their body cameras as they were off duty. Mr. Lane subsequently lodged a complaint, but an internal investigation yielded a disheartening outcome, finding no violation of departmental policies.
We are unable to establish a violation of the departmental policies or procedures. As a result, it's determined that no investigation is warranted.
Surprisingly, the Community Police Oversight Board concurred with this assessment.
How can you condone the laughter and the comments?
The officers' laughter and comments during the incident raised legitimate questions.
His complaint was that the officers that were there when he arrived did not let him use the restroom there at Sirius Pizza. The officers are not obligated, or they don't have any rules that say that an officer has to let a citizen use a private business use their restroom.
The Internal Affairs officer's response indicated a concerning lack of understanding of the law. Mr. Lane's complaint pertained to being denied restroom access at a private business, which the officers erroneously claimed was not their responsibility. However, the Restroom Access Act mandated businesses to allow customers with medical conditions to use their restrooms, including employee facilities, if public ones were unavailable. Moreover, the Internal Affairs officer's misnaming of the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, as the ADH demonstrated a troubling disconnect from the law. When questioned about their familiarity with the law, the officer couldn't provide a clear answer.
Is it a violation of the law such that the Dallas Police Department or any other police department would have the ability to issue a citation or enforce that law?
No, we'll have to dig deeper into that and find out the specifics about the ADH federal law as it applies to using a private restroom.
Are you saying that the officers are not familiar with the law?
The officer's refusal to review Mr. Lane's medical card violated departmental policy, as their duty was to serve the citizens. Regarding the officer's conduct and comments, it was imperative to note that the Dallas Police Department DPD did not endorse or condone such behavior. However, the absence of witnesses during the incident led to no action being taken, which was an inaccurate representation of the situation. In fact, at least 2 Serious Pizza employees had interacted with the officers, and the interaction had been recorded. The internal affairs personnel's inability to grasp the relevant law raised concerns about the purpose and effectiveness of their investigation. The Dallas Police Department's Code of Conduct explicitly prohibited employees from ridiculing, mocking, taunting, or belittling anyone, regardless of their disability status. Treating anyone in such a manner rendered these officers unsuitable for their roles. Following the troubling events, Serious Pizza initially removed the involved officers, but further reports revealed inappropriate employee behavior. Additional video footage from the female officer held by the Dallas Police Department might shed more light on the incident. Donald Lane, a retired U.S. Army sergeant and District 3 resident, demanded accountability from the Dallas Police Department and Serious Pizza for ADA compliance. He emphasized addressing restroom access denials for people with disabilities, based on his own military service-related disabilities. Lane expressed disappointment in the officers and called for change to protect others from similar hardships.
Councilman, good evening. My name is Donnell Lane, and I live here in Dallas, Texas, District 3 area. I'm here to hold Dallas Police Department and the specific local retail food chain Serious Pizza responsible for adhering to their oath to uphold policies, practices, and code compliance requirements of the federal, state, and city America Disability Act guidelines, also known as ADA. 2 Dallas police officers discriminated against me and declined to assist me in bridging the gap between myself and Serious Pizza manager by not giving me courtesy of checking my ID and my supporting medical documents, nor did they try to de-escalate the matter that it would allow me access to Serious Pizza restrooms during their regular business hours. I then had to call 911 to assist, but they were unable to show up and respond in time. As a result of this neglect, I had to endure urine and bowel leakage while inside the restaurant. As United States Army retired sergeant, I had to higher expectations from the city.
Will this incident lead to lasting improvements in accessibility and accountability?